Okay? When you get CSQs asking you to explain whether or if something will happen, okay? If the question is 3 marks or more, you need to diversify, correct? Well, in this case, diversification means you need thesis, you need an antithesis. It will surprise you, right? How come we need balance? I thought balance is only for discuss, analyze, evaluate, assess. Okay, so I say this is typically for questions that want you to evaluate, discuss, examine, assess, analyze. The command words here are usually 8 or 10 marks. I have seen discuss 6 marks. No evaluation, okay? 6 is just 6. It's only 8 marks, then you have 2 marks for evaluation. Then this one you have 7 marks. I mean, 2 marks for evaluation, 3 marks for evaluation. Okay. So you have to diversify into your thesis and antithesis when they ask you to explain whether. Okay? Comment, yeah. So comment will be here. Oh yeah. Comment could be here also. Comment could be low weightage also. Okay. So it's very good that one of you picked this out also. Explain whether Russia's deteriorating economy is likely to negatively impact economic heavyweights. Now, when they ask you to explain whether or explain if, right? I can go one step further to tell you the thesis should be how it's supposed to work based on theory. Based on what you have learned in the notes. Then your antithesis should be how it may not work based on context. Extracts, tables, figures.